Hey guys, it's me Tanuj back with another ROM review video on my Mi A1. So this time the ROM which I picked is Dirty Unicorns, aka even known as DU. So I selected this ROM because it was one of my favorite ROM which I used on my previous handset, which was OnePlus X, and I selected this ROM on three bases because the battery management was really good. It really gave me good screen on time on my previous device, then good stability, and as usual good customization options. So this is why I selected this ROM. And the sad news is that this is not the official, this is unofficial one, but still this ROM is really good and I am impressed. So let's wait for the official build. So now guys, without any further ado, let's get to this video. Guys, as you can see, this is my Mi A1 running on the Dirty Unicorn version, which is the unofficial one, which I told earlier. And before the starting of the video, I will show you the speed of fingerprint scanner. It is little slow, but it's okay because this is the unofficial one. I think so I can expect some improvements in fingerprint scanner section in the official build. So as I go into the settings and go into the system about phone, so here you get is Android version is 8.1.0, security patch level is of 5th April 2018, and Dirty Unicorn version is unofficial version 12.1, and the cell Linux status is enforcing, not permissive. And in channel log you can see the channel log of this version. So as I go back again and go into this gestures, here you get all your typical gestures which you get in every custom ROM, like ambient display, hand wave, pickup, pocket and proximity wake. And in this gesture option you can get a swipe fingerprint for notifications. Let me show you, it works fine. So as I go back and go into customizations, which is dirty tweaks in this ROM. So it has some good customization options like expanded desktop, miscellaneous, power menu. So let me show you. Here you can add some extra things in this power button menu like advanced reboot, screenshot and aeroplane. As you can see, when I long press this, so as you can see, meaning I don't know why my device is getting off and off, but I think so you could see that. And in lock screen you get this fingerprint preferences and lock screen items like alarm test, bottom shortcuts, double tap to sleep on lock screen and etc. And in status bar you get this battery options in which you can change the battery icon style like to circle, then text and many more. So it's up to you what you want to keep. I like the circle one, and it can even show the battery percentage if it is hidden outside or inside. Whatever you want to keep, you can keep. And in multitasking you get this heads up, then recents in which you get clear all fab, allow slim recents and many more. And yes, even icon pack. So right now don't have any icon pack installed on my Mi A1. So let's go back and exit this and go into this screen on time. So as you can see, this is the screen on time of Dirty Unicorns, and let me tell you that I had not full start my phone, so for that it is pretty cool. And here is the battery graph. So as I go back again and go into this ROM, so the wallpaper is really cool and it really looks dope, and it has this inbuilt pixel launcher, so don't worry, you will not have to flash any Magisk module or APK. You will directly get a inbuilt pixel launcher. So as I go into Android Oreo options like multitasking, so let's open YouTube and settings. So as you can see, it works fine and both of the windows are working fine. So as I cancel them all and go into this camera, so yes, camera is Google camera and it is really very basic. So go into settings, then you get this flashlight exposure, and in settings what you get is advanced, then resolution, quality and many more. So these were the options which you get with the ROM. And the bug which I faced with this ROM was that the LED light here, it was not working even when I received notifications or kept it for charging. So because this is the unofficial build and is still in beta development if I am not wrong, So this is why the LED light cannot work and the fingerprint scanner is also slow. But I think so we can expect some improvements in the official build. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, then please click on that thumbs up, and if you want to watch more of it, then please subscribe to my channel. I'm Tanuj Joshi signing out. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Till then, peace.